What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to embed Substack in WordPress. So first off, head over to your Google or any browser and then come to the Substack website. And after that, log in or sign up to your Substack's website. Now after signing up or logging in, on the right side, you can see the option of settings. Click on this. And after coming to the settings, in the search bar here on the left side, search for growth features. Now, when you come to the growth features, here at the bottom, you will see an custom HTML code. Just simply copy this HTML code. And now it's time to head over to your WordPress. So when you come to the WordPress, select the site that you want to edit. And from here, after that, click on your site and then the site will open in an enlarged version. From here, on the right side, you can just zoom out or you can view your site in a better way, but we need to embed an HTML code. So on the left side, click on this plus icon and then in the search bar, type in HTML. So this will show you the option of custom HTML. Click on this and then just simply paste that code that you have copied from Substack, and after that you can click on preview to preview your HTML code. As you can see, this is my Substack, and you can show the option to write the email and to subscribe to your Substack's account. And this is how you can embed your Substack in WordPress. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching, and make sure guys to save the work before closing your WordPress website. So thank you for watching.